Okay, I'm going to talk briefly a bit about the ZX Breakout board, which is a CPLD breakout board for the Spectrum, and you can implement any logic you like or use it as a level shifter for an FPGA or something like that. This one's set up as a SPI interface, and here we can see the source code for that, or at least the top level module in Xilinx ICE, which is the development software. And we can also see the simulation, which shows it ought to work in real life. I'm going to show it running a curious little box, which is a Nixie tube display that we have here, which is filled with Soviet era IN12B Nixie tubes. And a Nixie tube is basically a neon filled tube with numbers made out of metal, and numbers are the cathode, and when you pass a current through it, the number lights up. It's a long obsolete technology. I guess it goes quite well with the long obsolete Spectrum. And don't be fooled by the power supply I have up here, which shows 12 volts. They don't run on 12 volts at all. They actually run on 170 volts. So if we take a look inside the display box, on the bottom left there's a little power supply which makes 170 volts. What I'm using it for here is a tweetometer for our Spectrum Twitter client. So it shows how many tweets we've done, how many characters remaining, that kind of thing. We've done 0 tweets so far. And if we go ahead and just type something random, we can see the display change showing how many characters we got left for the famous Twitter 140 character limit. So if we have a look at the oscilloscope here, we can see the SPI data going across the SPI bus to our Nixie tube box. And if you ever take a look inside, you can see the Nixie tubes a bit better and how that stack of numbers actually works inside the tubes once they're lit up. So thanks for watching, and if you want more information on this project, you can go and have a look at the website. The URL is just coming up in a moment right here.